Welcome to weekly upload number one. Today I want to get into the exhaust setup I have on this car. We're going to be doing some cold starts. We're going to be doing some flybys, some stationary revs, all that good stuff to give you a feel for how the car sounds. But before we get into that, if you'll do me a favor and go ahead and like and subscribe. This channel is brand new, so it would help me out a lot. Without further ado, let's get into it. All we are currently running on this car is a Resonator delete and Muffler delete. It's pretty similar to the AFV exhaust. I don't know if you guys have seen that. It's like $600. What I did is I looked at that and said, well, my local muffler shop can make the same thing for probably half the price. So that's exactly what we did. And to be completely honest and fair, in my opinion, these cars all, no matter what exhaust you put on them, they all kind of sound the same. So I went the cheaper route personally. It's just what I did and put a just a straight pipe on it. While I get the Giulia rigged up for some clips, I will insert a picture of what the actual exhaust looks like underneath the car so you guys have an idea of the setup. All the setup really is on this car is a straight pipe with a resonator delete and a muffler delete.